Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be unboxing the Reshiram Charizard Premium Collection. This box is beautiful. I can't wait to open it. It's so nice. Just the gold cards are beautiful. This amazing box was released in November 2021. This box includes one gold foil card featuring Reshiram Charizard GX, one oversized card featuring Reshiram and Charizard GX, 10 Pokemon TCG booster packs, and a code card for the Pokemon trading card game online. Let's get this box open. So, as you can see, this box has a lot of packs, 5 Chilling Rain packs, 3 Evolving Skies, and 2 Vivid Voltage. And this card is amazing. I remember like a year ago or something like that, Reshiram Charizard was one of the best decks and it was like $50, but a lot of people really like Charizard and these cards probably are going to get rarer eventually and be a lot of money, but it's beautiful. Very nice card. I think Charizard's like basically the mascot of Pokemon instead of like Pikachu because everyone really likes Charizard. I'm not sure if it's just me that thinks that, but I think it's like that. So, Steel Energy, or Metal Energy, League Staff, Mercargo, Swoobat, Rockruff, Voltorb, Kata, Chimico, Riolu, Reverse Hollow Swellow, it's very shiny, and regular rare Terrakion. Not bad for the first pack. I like that shiny. It was really shiny. So we're gonna finish the Vivid Voltages and do the second pack as Vivid Voltage. Maybe we can get like a giant Pikachu. That'd be pretty cool. It's a green code, but that's fine. Green codes are still cool. So we go 1, 2, 3 to the front. Last card is Electric Energy, matches Vivid Voltage. Alright, so Shuckle, Cramorant, Drone Rotom, haven't seen that one. Slugma, Mudbray, Cottonee, Joltik, Chatot, a Reverse Hollow Swellow, very shiny too. Is that the one we got in the last pack? I think it is. And Toucan. Nice. So on to the fourth pack. Another Evolving Skies. Maybe we can get lucky on this one. Okay. White coat, that's good to see. Good to see. Put that there. Just put this right here too. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Energy. Electric Energy, nice. Now, let's see. Hippowdon. Tentacruel, yeah. Rubber Gloves. Looks like inflatable gloves. Flabebe. Roggenroll. Psyduck. Swablu. Seedot, Reverse Hollow Smeargle. Oh, and that's such a nice hollow. Look how shiny that is. That's beautiful hollow. Zygarde. Zygarde's really cool. That's a really nice hollow right there. It's absolutely nice. So, fifth pack. Let's put the code away. Green code, that's fine. We do 1, 2, 3, 4 for the energy. Dark Energy, nice. Alright, so Floette, Shelgon, Boost, Shake, Woobat, Eevee. Oh, that's such a cute Eevee. And I think that's, forget his name, Rayquaza. Up there, she's looking at Rayquaza. Himpole, Cutie Fly, Applin, Reverse Hollow Lombre. That's nice. Nice. And Scoutland. That's good. I like that Reverse Hollow. It's really shiny. This is going to be the first Chilling Reign pack I've ever opened. So maybe it's going to be lucky. Look at that white code. Beautiful. Let's see it. 1, 2, 3. I'm not sure if Chilling Reign is good. I haven't seen anything for Chilling Reign. Water Energy. Nice. So, Raboot. Rapid Strike, Scroll of the Skies. Kirlia. Snover. Blitzel. Ghastly. Ghastly's pretty cool. Coughing. Delibird. Reverse Hollow Hatterem. That's what evolves into Hatterini, I think. Wow, that's such a nice card. Look at that. Galarian Slowking V. I've never seen Slowking Galarian version. That's so nice. Look at that. That is nice. I love the art on that. Look at the background. The background is so nice. I like that green goo. Let's go Chilling Reign again. Chilling Reign has done us good so far. I think it could do it again maybe. Let's see. See that code? Green code, that's fine. I love that thing we got, the Slowking. So I'm fine with that. That's amazing. So 3 to the front. Energy, electric energy. 1, 2. I already did it. I just forgot. Rugged Helmet. Crabominable. He looks funny. Doctor. Inkay. Sky Wovet. Score Bunny. Diglett. Bullet. Reverse Hollow. Karen's Conviction. And Calamar. I think we just got Inkay and Calamar in the same pack. Malamar, not Calamar. Calamari. Malamar, not Calamar. Sounds like I said calamari. We're gonna get into the next pack, but I think Chilling Reign is probably my favorite set. I think it has the best art so far. Even just by seeing that one V, I think it's very nice. Green code. 1, 2, 3 to the front. And electric energy. Steenie. Dyna Treehill. Spiral energy. Diglett. Golett. Deerling. Sneasel. Farfetch'd. Reverse Hollow Weedle. And Golurk. Golurk looks really cool. He's like... So on to the second last pack. Let's see what we get. Chilling Reign so far has really nice. Look at that. Nice white code. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Let's see. Water energy. Kind of matches Chilling Reign. Seems like it could be water or snow, whatever you want to call it. Brawly. Melanie. Whirlipede. Crabrawler. Grookey. Score Bunny. Aaron. Snorunt. Reverse Hollow Snover. Oh my gosh! Look at that full art Seabold. That's such a nice card. Like I said, beautiful art on these cards. That's literally like so nice. Look at that. So shiny. I love his eyes. And he's like just really nice card. Last pack. Maybe we can get really lucky this pack. I'm happy with what we have so far. It's very nice cards so far. Alright. Flip it around. Green code. That's completely fine. I'm very happy with that full art there. 1, 2, 3. To the front. Dark energy. And Chest Plate. Caitlyn. Kakuna. Snorunt. Weedle. Cast Form. Whalefish. Ralph's, Inkay Rapid Strike, Reverse Holo, and Agron. This box was amazing. It had a lot of nice art in it. I love this gold card. I'm very happy I got this box. I got it for Christmas. This card right here, in the big card in the back. Like, it's just so nice. Like, the gold card's amazing. Then we got Zygarde Holo. Very nice card. I just love the shine on it. It's such a nice shine. I like Zygarde. He's cool. I like how they combine in the sky and make like the big things. Then Galarian Slowking. Probably my favorite card we got just because of the art. Like, I love the art in the background. It looks like a swamp. And he has like goo and stuff. It's very nice. And then our best pull of the day was Seabold. Just amazing full art. So nice. Rapid Strike. Like, just amazing card. Thanks everyone so much for joining in today's video. I hope you all like my videos I've been posting. Evie says bye.